You are in the right place. So let's take a look at the single most important thing. So there's a lot you need to accomplish in this lifetime. Anyone here feel like they need to do something big before they leave this planet? So the single most important thing I want you to get out of this workshop is that time is not on your side. So we all have the same amount of time in a day, 1,440 minutes. But what we do with it and the time we each have on this planet varies. And I could give you countless examples where I've had friends. In fact, in the last 2 months, two great friends of mine have passed. 1 minute here, the next they're gone. I was like talking to one 3 days earlier. They definitely left with unfinished business. I don't want to read a Facebook post about you knowing that you have a legacy to live. In the words of William Penn, who stated it very well, time is what we want most, but what we use worst. So the first myth I'm going to bust, and this is something that keeps you stuck on the hamster wheel, and that is thinking you've got plenty of time. So here's the reality. Your market is waiting for you to help them, right? Right now. Wouldn't you agree?